Why hello everyone! As you can read by the title, I bought an air raid siren of some kind. I figured, you know what? I collect fire alarms, might as well buy an air raid siren. So I did, I bought one, and today I'm gonna unbox it. So let's unpack this thing and see what it's all about. Here we go. And here we go. Ooh. Alright. Well, okay, here's what we have so far. It looks like I'm unboxing something pretty important here. So let's take this out and see what we have. We have this kind of spooky, important looking box here, made of wood, surrounded in metal. As you can see, it's a Vixen Horns VXS-1450AR. And now I have to figure out how to open this box. Let's see here. You know, if you ever get a wood box like this, surrounded in metal, whatever you got must be pretty important. I think I'm gonna have to break out the old pliers for this. This is definitely going to be one of the hardest unboxings I've ever had as far as opening the box. But it looks like we got it open. Looks like we have an instruction manual, and this is what the siren is going to look like. And here we are. Let's go ahead and take this thing out. And here it is. Holy cow. This thing is smaller than I expected, but it looks really, really cool. Well, here it is. As you can see, there is a little information tag on it. And all it is a simple 120 volts, which is the amount a plug puts out. You just wire that into these two wires, and the siren sounds. As you can see, it's got two wheels on it, and they simply spin and break up the air, which makes the loud noise that we hear on air raid sirens. So here it is. This is what the siren looks like, and I'm 100% gonna wire this thing up right now and hear what this thing sounds like when it goes off. Let's go get some wires. Alright, this is the moment of truth. All I have to do is plug this thing in and it'll go off. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, that thing, this siren is awesome. I think this is one of the coolest things I've ever had, honestly, in my entire fire alarm collection. I guess it's not a fire alarm, but it's still an alarm. But this video is getting long. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna make an overview video where I test it even more, and then I'm gonna make just a testing video of just testing it outside and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. This thing is really cool. So look forward to those other videos that I'm gonna make here, and thank you for watching this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day, everyone. Be safe.